Good afternoon everybody. I am Shivani of class 7 of Holy Child Public School. Today I will tell you about some topics: volcanic eruption, types of volcanoes, how volcanoes change the earth, and amazing facts about volcanoes. Now we will first discuss about volcanic eruption. Let's start. First you should know about what is a volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust from which molten magma, ashes, gases and steam are emitted with a sudden force. Now the question is, what is a magma and where it is present? Magma is the molten or semi-molten natural material from which all igneous rocks are formed. It lies under great pressure inside the earth. Molten magma, which erupts from a volcano and falls on the earth's surface, is called lava. The tunnel-like part of a volcano through which lava and molten magma emit is known as vent or shaft. Its mouth is known as crater, which is like a cup. Now I will tell you about how volcano erupts. Molten magma lies under great pressure inside the earth. This magma reaches weak point or cracks in the earth's surface which emit with a sudden force, and this leads to our volcanoes erupt. Now I will show you the practical of volcanic eruption. Now you can see the parts of the earth's inner surface. We can see here it is crust, mantle and core. This is the tunnel-like part of a known as shaft or vent. This is a large cup-shaped mouth known as crater. Now I will show you how volcano erupts. Molten magma lies under great pressure inside the earth. This magma reaches at some weak points or cracks in the earth's surface, and this leads a volcano to erupt. As we can see, it's erupting. This is lava which is coming out of the volcano through the crater. Now we'll discuss about types of volcanoes. We can differentiate volcanoes on the basis of how frequently they erupt. Volcanoes that erupt frequently are known as active volcanoes. For example, barren islands of Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India. Volcanoes that have not erupted for the past many years but can erupt at some stage are known as dormant volcanoes, such as Mount Fujiyama. Volcanoes that have not been known to erupt for hundreds of years and likely to do so in future are called extinct volcanoes. For example, Mount Kilimanjaro of Africa and Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. Now we will discuss about how volcanoes change the earth. Often the lava coming out of a volcano accumulates around it. The lava cools and solidifies to form a volcanic mountain, such as Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. When molten magma erupts from a long crack or fissure in the earth's surface, it spreads to form a volcanic plateau, such as the Deccan Plateau in India. Lava emitted from volcanoes solidifies on the earth's surface to form volcanic rocks, which in then break down and form a very fertile soil known as black soil. Volcanic eruption also bring valuable minerals to the earth's surface. The word volcano originally comes from the Roman god of fire. Volcanoes can grow quickly. There are 20 volcanoes erupting right now. The Barren Island volcano in Andaman and Nicobar Island is the only active volcano in India. Supervolcanoes are really very dangerous. The tallest volcano in the solar system is not in the earth. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the biggest volcano on earth with the height of 9,170 meters tall. Taal volcano is the smallest volcano. It takes roughly 20 minutes to reach to the volcano's peak. There are about 1,500 potentially active volcanoes in the world. And the last fact is the oldest volcano is probably Etna, and that is about 3,50,000 years old. I hope you have understood the concept of volcano. So it's time to leave. Thank you. Have a great day.